guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out this 10 products in 5 minutes makeup challenge. So I'm going to quickly begin because I've already started my timer. So I'm going to use this primer by Insight and I'm just quickly going to apply it on my face. Oh, by the way, this is a travel edition because I'm going to be traveling. And for my foundation, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Stay Fresh foundation in the shade Sable Sand. And I'm just going to quickly apply it with the brush. I'm also going to take a blending brush and blend everything in well so that it looks natural and not too made up. Next, I'm quickly gonna apply my concealer. This is like a little too light for my skin, but I managed it, I guess. So I'm just quickly gonna apply it on my under eyes and just highlighting my high points. So this was my third product, and now I'm quickly gonna take my brush, the same thing that I used earlier, because I don't have the time to use a different brush. I mean, I'm running out of time. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna move on to my fourth product, which is setting my face with a setting powder. I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild contour plus powder palette, and I'm just gonna quickly set my face. And I can use the same palette to contour my face without counting a product. Moving on to the next product, I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow palette by Nykaa, and this happens to be my fifth product. And I have used this brown shade, which happens to look a little patchy, and I do not really like the look of this. So yeah, I am trying to fix it, but all in vain because I'm not able to do that. This is the only matte shade in the palette, and I have to manage with this because I can't use anything else. But this happens to look very patchy because this is a shade that goes on top and does not come as a transition shade. So I just went ahead and I added my shimmer quickly, and the shimmer looked really pretty. But I suddenly got an idea and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna save this. So I went ahead and I put my mascara really soon. Okay, not gonna lie, I took my own sweet time. I took like minutes and hours. Okay, it wasn't hours, but I took a very long time to apply my mascara. And while I was applying my mascara, I got an idea that I can actually save this even better. And I can actually use my contour instead of the palette from instead of the shade from the Nykaa palette, because the contour shade would be much better. So what I did was I decided to go in with my silver kajal pencil and just apply some, and then I would use my contour as a transition shade. But before that, I thought I'll just finish contouring my face, and I had to do this really soon because I took way too much time for my mascara and I'm running out of time for the challenge. I took the same contour I used earlier and applied it as a transition on my eyelids, on my crease, and I also used it to fill in my eyebrows, and yes, I did save the day. I'm quickly gonna move on to my blush on. I'm gonna take this nice pinky peachy shade and quickly apply it. I do not have time to search for my brush, and yeah, I finished applying my blush in no time. Now I'm just gonna use my spoolie brush and do my eyebrows real quick. Now I'm quickly gonna take the same highlighter from the blush palette and I'm gonna apply it on my face. And this was, I think, the 8th product. Yes, I guess it was the 8th product, and I didn't have to use anything else because this was from the blush palette itself. Now I'm just gonna use my 9th product, which happens to be the lipstick. I'm just gonna fill in my lips really well and just wipe off all the excess. Since it's a travel makeup look, we cannot do without setting spray, so I'm quickly gonna take my setting spray and spritz it on my face. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, and spritz, spritz, spritz. Let it air dry for a second, or you can also take your beauty blender and you're done.